Hey culinary explorers, Jess and Cliff here. And today we're turning up the heat with gas cooktops. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, we've got the tips and tricks to make you a gas cooktop guru. Ready, Cliff? First things first, safety. Always have a pan on the cooktop when turning on a burner, and make sure the flame matches the pan size. Review those use and care manuals, folks. GE Appliances gas cooktops are all about flexibility. With up to 5 burners and edge-to-edge grates, you've got room to cook up a feast. And for the pancake lovers out there, some models even feature an optional cast iron griddle. Breakfast, anyone? If you're cooking for a crowd, some models feature multi-ring burners that are perfect for large cookware. Now, let's talk output. From simmering to boiling, your cooktop is ready for action. 5,000 BTUs, perfect for those fluffy scrambled eggs. 7,500 BTUs, ideal for sauteing or your daily cooking adventures. And 15,000 BTUs, that's boiling territory. Cookware matters too. Flat-bottomed pans are your best friends here. And remember, treat your cookware well. No long soaks, please. Some models even have a control lock option, great for cleaning or keeping little paws away from unwanted usage. And there you have it, friends. With these tips, you'll be a gas cooktop pro in no time. Happy cooking, and remember, Cliff and I are always here to help you navigate the world of appliances.